No, we don't tamper with fire alarms. Yep, don't tamper with fire alarms at my house. You don't tamper with fire alarms anywhere. Like, even if you are going to someone's house and they have a fire alarm set up, you still don't tamper with that because are they your alarms? No, they're not, so don't tamper with them. It is worse if you are tampering with fire alarms in public buildings. In general, it is bad doing it unless you own the device. If it's your alarm and you own it, then you can. But if you are at someone's house with their alarms or in a public building, then you don't do it. That is not acceptable for any reason. Bye.